guys, today is a lazy day. Get ready with me because today I don't feel like doing anything. Well, let's go ahead and do our face cleansing with our exfoliating towel, SIMA. Like, my dead skin in the winter is actually insane. So this has been like helping me so much because literally every night, like, I'm peeling off. So if you guys have that problem, I highly recommend you guys to exfoliate your face. But this towel specifically has two sides. This is very rough and this side is very soft. So those with the sensitive skin, I recommend you to use the soft side. But I don't think I'm sensitive, but I just like the rough side better because it's actually not that rough. It's still smooth enough to not irritate my face, but at the same time it exfoliates. First, I like to grab my cleanser and then just bam. And now with a wet towel, I'm just gonna rub it. Low key on the eyebrows too. Let's go get them. You gotta remember to clean it nice and dry it well. Wow guys, wait, actually, like, no joke, my skin is so soft. Today, I have nothing going on, but I still do need to get ready because I'm gonna run some errands. So let's do a quick, fast and easy, lazy girl get ready with me. Okay, for foundation, obviously cushion is way faster than a regular liquid foundation. So let me go ahead and just pat this on really quick. Then pat, pat, pat. Okay, next is blush. I'm just gonna go with my daily. When I'm doing more of a natural look, I like to emphasize my blush and my lip color. And also for a natural look, I like to place my blush like right under my eye. Kind of like a I didn't sleep too well. Okay, but I got this a few months ago and I'm already running out. I gotta restock on YESSTYLE. All the products that I'm using today can be found on YESSTYLE. So if you're looking for some Black Friday deals, go ahead and use my code and go get yourself some Korean beauty products. Like me. I don't know if other influencers do this, but low-key I use my own code to buy myself products. Let's go ahead and do our eyebrows. Go ahead and brush. If you see my eyebrows, there's just a lot of like bald spots going on, and this one is okay. Not gonna necessarily shape anything, just fill it in. All right, done drawing, but they're kind of strong, so let me blur it out with the brush. Honestly, I really like this shade on me. Like, it's slightly lighter than my hair color, so it's giving me a softer look. Next, I'm gonna go with shading. I'm gonna just gather my nose just a little bit on the tip. DC, DC. DC means Taechung. Taechung means effortlessly. Few times. Swipe, 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 swipe. 3 seconds, I'm done. Here, up to, just swipe, 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 swipe. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Okay, looking good. Let's move on. Next, this is like the most important part. Okay, next is the most essential for me when I do like a natural makeup, which is the YESSTYLE and my Cupid's bow contour. I make the top the darkest and I just naturally bring it down. And now with the YESSTYLE. Honestly, I'm fine with how I look right now. I'm pretty satisfied. I'm debating if I want to do eye look. But until then, let's move on to the lip first. And again, I'm gonna DC Taechung effortlessly line up this lip. Seriously love this color. One of my best purchases in YESSTYLE, like seriously. Like, look how naturally I overdrew that. I haven't used this color in a while in my videos, but this is my daily. So let's go with this one. Wait, actually, I did get some lip product from YESSTYLE. I don't know. I don't know which one I want to do. I really like how the natural pink is going on. And because I already have these two, they're just a restock. Let me try a new lip product today. Wait, it's so cute! I've never owned a Colorgram lip tint before. Wait, why is this so small and so cute? Wait, what the heck? It's so cute. Like, the packaging, it looks like toy. Oh my god. Okay, this is very pinky too. Oh! Yes! 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 Okay, these are the two colors. Honestly, this would be nice, but I do want something more lighter on my lip and more transparent. And I feel like this is giving more transparent and like natural lip color. Ah! So let's go with this one. I'm so happy. Honestly, I could carry this so nicely because it's so small. Hold up. Why is it so pretty? Oh my god, oh my god. I think this is like my new favorite. Okay, you know what? I kind of want to put this too. Am I gonna ruin this? You don't know. You don't know until you try. Okay. Just got slightly darker, but I like it. Okay, Elaine, are you gonna do your eyes or not? You know what? I'll just go with mascara today. Let's go ahead and heat up my curler. Well, while I wait for that to heat up, I do want to put like slightly a little bit of shadow, kind of like a eyeliner vibe, but with the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply it really thinly, like for monolids. If you open your eyes, like you shouldn't be able to see it, okay? Maybe just like 1 to 2 millimeters from your eyeball. For me, it's easy because I just follow like this measurement and I just apply it like that. And then with the fluffy brush, just blend that out slightly. Okay, perfect. Like you can't see, but when I like blink, when I close my eyes, like you could tell it's there. So that's all I want. And then the edge, I'm just gonna bring it out like a liner. Ah! Okay, I like that, so natural. All right, this is heated up. Oh, it's hot. Let's go ahead and start curling the lashes. Okay, curl the lashes. They're so short right now because I haven't been putting my serum. Actually, I started last night. Last year, November, my lashes were so long. So after seeing my pictures yesterday, I was like, okay, girl, you gotta go back. Anyway, now that I curled it with the heater, I'm gonna go with my regular and touch up on the roots because that thing is so hot. I do not want to go like so close to my eyeball. You know what I mean? So go closer to the roots and bam, bam, bam. And now with the Etude Curl Fix Mascara, let's go ahead and try to put it on without smudging it. Let it dry. Now with the other side, I start with the roots first. Okay, I think it looks good. Ah! Okay, now I'm done with my makeup. I don't know, what do you guys think? This was like really, really low maintenance makeup. Like for monolid girls, we tend to have this mindset that we need to have our eyes really strong. But for me, the main things that I like to focus on when I'm doing more of a natural and like low maintenance makeup is lip blush and shading my aegyo side and Cupid's bow. Like if I just have that on a clear looking skin, even if I don't have eye makeup on, like I'm totally fine with it. Like I could just go out in public like that when I usually feel insecure about it. You know what I mean? I honestly really like how it turned out today because, oh my gosh, the past like months, I've been doing full makeup like almost every day. So I was just tired of it, but today, very minimal. I love it. Okay, for today's outfit though, I am wearing this top from YESSTYLE, pants from Uniqlo, and for perfume, I low-key want to go with Diptyque. And also a reminder that I do have all my discount codes down below in the description box. So if you do want to purchase anything for Black Friday, go ahead, go get your stuff. I'll go get my stuff as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Happy Thanksgiving. Thankful for you guys.